Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Banner Bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser as I have already opened the Microsoft Edge and bring up the search bar and type in Banner Bank login and hit the search. Make sure guys it takes you to the official link www.bannerbank.com. Just click on that first link. It might take a while to loading, wait for it. Now guys, you'll be taken to the official website of Banner Bank. Now at the top right of your screen you can see the sign in button. Just click on sign in button to sign in. Now guys, over here you just need to again click on the sign in button. Now you'll be directly taken to the Banner Bank login page. Over here you just need to enter your login ID. Similarly, you need to enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on that I icon to see your password. Just click on remember me for further use. But I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot your password. From here you can recover your password so easily. And once you click on login button, you will be easily access your account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.